How to properly trade retail sentiment strategy. So guys, if you have been around, if you look at my screen, you will know. If you have been seeing this and you don't know what it means, in today's video I'm going to show you what this means. And if you have been seeing it and you have been trading it but you have been doing it the wrong way, it's one of the things in trading. It is called retail sentiment. So I'm going to tell you what it means, tell you how people use it. It's a kind of, some people use it as strategy, but I'm going to tell you the proper way to use it so it will profit you. Then how to use it, and also show you where you can find it. Okay, so let's start. So the first thing is what is it? So it is called retail sentiment. There's what you call sentiment analysis. It's not actually the main sentiment analysis, but it's a kind of retail sentiment. It tracks what retailers are doing. Now, example, let me show you an example. This is sentiment on Euro USD. What it is showing, if you look at it very well, if you look at my screen very well, you see that they said that 70% of retail traders are short on Euro USD. Why? Only 2%. Only 74% are short, while only 26% are long. So what it means, the majority of retail traders are doing what? They are shorting Euro USD currently now, based on whatever strategy they have. So this site tracks it, even though it's not all the retailers in the market, but this site has a handful of majority of retailers. So chances are whatever is being shown here is showing across what majority of retailers are doing. And what do you think happens to retailers? Majority of retailers lose money. And now majority of retailers are shorting Euro USD. Why? Because they think that Euro USD is going up. That's why they are shorting it. So that's what this, so it tracks so many instruments. You can see it. So with this you can see what is happening in the retail space. But this is not the strategy itself. So I'm going to show you the cheat code. So I believe it has been explained. So if you are getting value from this video, comment retail sentiment. Let's trigger the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn off the notification button, so whenever we upload any new video, you get notified. So I've showed you what the tool is. You can see so many this thing here. You can see that currently on AUD card, majority of the retail traders, they are shorting it, and it's only 11% that is long on AUD card. So how do people use it? See what people would do way back in the days when we started trading newly. What majority of the retail traders do? Once they come here, if they see that AUD card, that's 80% is long, what they do, they say they want to follow the trend. This is where they define their own trend, and they will come and copy whatever people are doing here and try to trade alongside with them. That's the first way people use this too. They come here. If they see that everybody is long, let's use that Euro USD for an example. If they see that everybody is long on Euro USD, they will come and open a long position. If they see that everybody is short on Euro USD, they come and open a short position. So currently, majority is short on Euro USD, retail traders. So they will come here and open a short position. But in the long run, you see that it is not working. You even get tired. Why? We have another way which people use it. The people that think that they are smart, that's where you see them. If you check other videos, you see where people will say how to use the retail sentiment against retail traders. So what they do, if they come here, if majorities are shorting Euro USD, what they will do, they will go and buy, because since retail traders lose money, so they want to trade against the retail traders, and they think that this is what the banks do, or this is what the hedge funds do, that they will come here, open the chart and see what retail traders are doing, open the retail sentiment analysis and see what retail traders are doing and start. No, that's it. If you do it, you make profits more time, but over the long run, you see that you will do what? you will be struggling. So how do you properly use this tool? How do you properly use this tool? So for you to use this tool, remember I've told you the first case scenario. You see that you come here and trade with them. Whatever they are doing there, you do what they are doing. Or you think you are wiser than them and you come and do what's the opposite of what they are doing. So this tool on its own shouldn't be you shouldn't build any strategy here. You can use this tool as a confirmation, but it shouldn't be, this tool shouldn't form your trading bias. The only thing that should form your trading bias, which we teach at Apex Trading Academy, is you should have a clear fundamental outlook for a particular currency. Then you use your technicals, whatever technical strategy you have, you use it and find entry in the market. If it is a price action strategy, better. If it is an indicator based strategy, once it's working for you, use it. But the most important thing is that you have a fundamental outlook for a particular currency. Now, once you have done that, you find your buy. If your entry triggers, you place your sell. Then, as your trade is moving, you can just come here and confirm, see what is happening. If you come here, maybe your analysis is telling you that you should sell Euro USD. When you have done a proper analysis, like in this current market condition now, Euro is a buy. As at the time I'm making this video on 24th, this current fundamental environment is favoring the Euro. So Euro is going to buy for the longest before the fundamental changes. So that, and majority, but retailers are trying to short it here. Why? Because they think it has hit a particular level or whatever. But let's not go into that. We have another video that explains that. So how do you get, so this is how to use this tool. So you can just come here and just look. You don't even really need this tool to trade. That's just the truth. If you must, you even be happy that you are buying Euro USD and you come here and see that majorities are shorting it. That's the way you make money, because trading is a zero-sum game. So that's the best way to use this tool. After finding your entries and taking your trade, once you come here and see that they are taking, majorities are taking the opposite side of your trade, you see that most of the time, 95% of the time, you will see that that trade, you make a lot of money, provided the fundamentals are okay. It doesn't mean that sometimes, based on random gaze, you see that there is a time retailers, they are right. So just use this to backtest this and watch it, but it shouldn't form your trading bias. Then, if you don't have any strategy at all, go to our YouTube channel here, check this video, at least this strategy, this first video, this simple trading strategy, how to catch 85 pips on daily basis. Go and watch this video, watch it very well, and apply that strategy here, there, after you have done proper fundamental analysis. At least we have so many strategies, but with this, anybody can trade this. That's why we said it's a simple trading strategy. So with that, you can be able to catch some massive pips. Then, how do you get market direction? You can follow up every week. We do weekly analysis. So if you see any of our video that has this fundamental weekly market fundamental and technical analysis, you can from there you can get an insight of what the market is doing. Then if you want to learn how to trade, you want to learn how to trade the market the most realistic way, you want to learn how to do proper fundamental analysis, you want to learn all the technical strategies you can use for entries, then you feel free to grab our Forex Made Easy course, and the link is in the description of this video. And also, if you want to be getting updates as the market is going, don't fail to use the link in the description and join our free Telegram group. With that, whenever there is an update in the market, you be the first to get notified. Don't fail to smash the subscribe button. And if there is any other tool, we also have a tool that tracks what the hedge fund does, what the big boys does. So if you want that video on that, remember this one is just showing what majority of retailers are doing. We have another tool that is showing what the big boys in the market are doing, even though it's not a strategy on its own. But if you want us to demystify it for you, comment it in the comment box down below. Now, the final thing, how do you find this strategy? How do you find this website? This is the website here, and we will drop it in the description also. If you don't see it there, remind us in the comment box. The website, just type link to the website, link to the website. It will remind the uploader, then you can pin it in the comment box of this video. So with this, I hope everything about retail sentiment analysis has been cleared. So remember, it is not a strategy on its own, but you can use it and just know what is happening in the market. But at a point when you really learn what trading is, you might not even remember to be coming here. So that's it. Catch you inside our group, and peace.